Today we want to present how to use automatic balloons and make machining drawings. Let's make a drawing from this. Go to Drawing tab. Add a drawing template. Let's give it a drawing number. From here we can add a part list. This creates a part list of all the components in the world. And then we want to add a drawing. And let's add one more from another viewpoint. Then we want to add balloons to this. Go to the Automatic Balloons drop-down. We can select Minimal to get one balloon for every item in the part list. There we go. And for this one, we can use the Maximal. This adds one balloon for every item in the viewport. Let's make some adjustments. There we go. Now we want to create one drawing for every beam with machining. We choose the button that says Machining. This will take a while. And there we go. So, for every unique beam in our layout, we get a drawing that shows you where the machining operations should be made. Each of these drawings are numbered after the original drawing, and they get their own number on the end. And there we go. We now have our drawings. We hope you find these new features helpful. Thank you.